Are you tired of dealing with foggy windshields and the struggle of keeping your car windows clean and clear? If so, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Car Windshield Defogging Cleaning Brush Window Scraping Tool. With its soft and smooth material made of ABS nanofibers, this tool will make it easier than ever to keep your car's windows clean. This high-quality cleaning brush is durable and long-lasting, designed to effectively remove dirt, dust, and grime without scratching the surface of your windows. Its long handle allows you to reach difficult spots, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. With a weight of just 40 grams, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. This car cleaning accessory is the perfect addition to your car care routine. No more struggling with foggy windshields or dirty windows. With the Car Windshield Defogging Cleaning Brush Window Scraping Tool, you'll have crystal clear, clean windows in no time. That's not all, we also offer a range of other car cleaning tools and accessories to make your car cleaning experience even better. From plush chenille microfiber washing gloves to coral velvet cleaning brushes, we have everything you need to keep your car looking its best. So why wait? Say goodbye to foggy windshields and dirty windows and hello to a clean and comfortable driving experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Car Windshield Defogging Cleaning Brush Window Scraping Tool and start enjoying crystal clear, clean windows today.